Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show emoji switch key in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and here there is no emoji switch key. Okay, here only language switch key is available here. Okay, so if you would like to show emoji switch key here instead of language switch key, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to additional settings, then go to keyboard and input method and click on manage keyboards and click on Gboard and click on preferences, and here's just turn on this button show emoji switch key, so that language switch key will be replaced and it will automatically turn off if you turn on this button. See here, so language switch key is replaced with emoji switch key, and go to the typing interface now, and here see here language switch key is disabled and emoji switch key is available. Just click on it and you will see lot of emojis. Okay, you can use the emojis from here. Okay, so in this way you can easily show language you can easily show emoji switch key on the keyboard in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.